COVID-19 and human recombinant soluble ACE2. The coronavirus is of a spherical structure, which contains a very long single strand of positive RNA. On the surface of the virus are envelope proteins and membrane proteins, both of which play a critical role in turning the host cell into a workshop, allowing our cells and the virus work together to duplicate. Alongside this are also club-shaped glycoprotein projections called spike or S proteins. These S proteins dock at ACE2 receptors on the surface of the human cell before entering and taking over the cell altogether. These ACE2 receptors are abundantly found in the lungs, heart, kidney, and intestines. Nanotechnology is defined as the study and the use of structures between 1 and 100 nanometers in size. To put this into perspective, the size of a nanoparticle to us is like the size of a marble to the Earth. Human recombinant soluble ACE2, or hrsACE2, is a drug in development which is considered to be nanotechnology as it is working with molecules of that size. hrsACE2, also known as the drug APN01, is a biological drug in which decoy ACE2 receptors lure the virus to attach itself to the copy instead of the actual cells, enveloping the spike proteins on the virus cells. This distracts the virus from infecting the cells to the same degree, causing an overall reduction in the growth of the virus. In cell cultures that were analyzed in current studies, hrsACE2 inhibited the coronavirus load by a factor of 1,000 to 5,000. Clinical-grade hrsACE2 also reduced the infection in engineered human tissues, known as organoids. So far, research and testing has been limited to these cell structures and organoids. As well as this, these experiments have only examined the drug's effects during initial stage of infection, and further studies must be conducted to find if it will still be effective during later stages of virus development. The downside of the development of hrsACE2 is that the screening of a new protein can take several years, and that is provided that everything is working perfectly. But overall, the success of this treatment will not just help people with COVID-19, but also those who suffer from acute lung injury, ALI, acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, pulmonary arterial hypertension, PAH, and any other illnesses which target the ACE2 receptor, unlike other vaccines and treatments created for specifically one illness. Thank you for listening.